Nestled conveniently off Wrightsboro Road, Brandomere Townhomes offer everything that the savvy buyer demands. These quality homes by Choice One Home Builders offer spacious and open plans, built-in pantry space in the kitchen areas, outside storage area, privacy-fenced patio areas and easy-to-maintain landscapes. Brandomere is close to everything in Growth Town, yet offers seclusion and tranquility in a neighborhood setting. Brandomere is approximately 4 miles from Gate 2 of Fort Gordon and 2 miles from Goodale Park. Current incentives include $2,400 towards buyer's closing costs, provided for by the seller, as well as a washer and dryer and refrigerator with acceptable offers. Interest rates are at record lows, so why rent when you can buy? Come see us today and see for yourself. Brandomere means value.